Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? Again, I am for you. The topic is actually this is the next chapter, chapter number 5, States of Matter, according to Federal Board as well as Sin Board. So, states of matter. What is matter? Matter is that which has weight and occupies space. So matter states of matter are of four: solid, liquid, gases and plasma. The fifth state is the man-made. Bose-Einstein condensate in a solid particle are packed tightly together so they don't move much. But we have to concern only solid, liquid and gases for SSC level or O levels. These are the states of matter: solid, liquid, gases and plasma. Solid are packed, there is no space between the particles. Liquids are somewhat free and gases are far apart. Solid. The molecules that make up a solid are arranged in regular repeating pattern. They are held firmly in place but can vibrate within a limited area. Liquid. Liquid particles are somewhat free. They are not packed like solid and not free as gas. The molecules that make up a liquid flow easily around one another. They are kept from flying apart by attractive forces between them. Liquid assume the shape of the container shape occupied by liquid. Gases. The molecules, you can see the picture, the particles are far apart. The molecules that make up a gas fly in all directions at great speeds. They are so far apart that the attractive forces between them are insignificant. They do not exert any pressure. And the last is plasma, and you are not concerned with plasma. You can see in another picture different states of matter: solid ice, liquid water and steam, that is gas. Now the properties of gases. Gases have diffusion property. Diffusion, movement of molecules from higher concentration to lower concentration. Gaseous particles are in constant random motion. Gaseous particles tend to undergo diffusion because they have kinetic energy. They are always in moving state. So diffusion is faster at higher temperature because the gas molecules have great kinetic energy. They have more kinetic energy, greater kinetic energy. That's why they move from higher concentration to lower concentration. Effusion refers to the movement of gas particles through a small hole. We will discuss effusion later. Next topic. So diffusion, you can see the pictures. Diffusion of gases. Before diffusion, blue circles and pink circle, but after diffusion pink along with the blue circles. This is after diffusion. Gases also have one more property, that is effusion. Effusion is also the moving of molecules from higher concentration to lower concentration, but through a small hole, small opening, and one by one molecules move from higher concentration to lower concentration. Gaseous particles tend to undergo diffusion because they have kinetic energy. Effusion refers to the movement of gas particles through a small hole. Graham's law you will study later. Graham's law states that the effusion rate of a gas is inversely proportional to the square root of the mass of its particles. You will study Graham's law in detail in college classes. This is effusion. You can see a small hole, and through small hole after green the blue one area is after effusion through a small hole. You can see two boxes, two containers. In one is ethylene oxide C2H4O, the compound in the container, and through pinhole opening molecules move from higher to empty area, and one by one molecules move. I think it is clear to you, so give me comments if you like it. Okay, Allah Hafiz.